So here we have our HLA-FluoGene384 match kit. We provide you everything basically what you need. For example, the typing plate, we have the sealing foil, and for sure our enzyme mix called FluoMix. As I said, this kit is so easy and fast to use. I'll live demonstrate it now here, and I also will track the time over here so you can see how long you have hands-on time. First step, we will remove the sealing foil. All our mixes are marked in blue, except the negative control, which is in position P1 down here, and this is marked in red. To pipette the negative control, we need 4 microliters of water. I will pipe it in P1. Then we add another 4 microliters of our FluoMix. This goes also in P1. In the next step, we already prepare a sample. For this, we have DNA, 1 microgram of it. And this we will add into our enzyme mix. So we have an end volume of 2.1 milliliters. This needs to be mixed or vortexed shortly. And then we can pipette that into the plate. For this, we will use this tray and a 60 channel pipette. So we add our DNA FluoMix mixture into the tray. Pipette it up. And then starting from column 12, adding 8 microliters to each well. You can also automate this process using Flow Assist. Just one thing you have to take care of. For the last column, remove the first tip so you don't pipette your DNA into the negative control, and pipette in the last column. And we're almost done. Last but not least, we have to seal the plate with the optical foil. For this you can use our Flu app and tightly seal the foil to your 384 PCR plate. That's it. Now we just need to centrifuge it for 2 minutes. So our centrifugation is done, and now we will put the plate in the Flu cube. Just open the Flu cube. Add your plate with the sample in here. Press start. We can stop the time, and that's all you have to do for providing your HLA typing with the 384 cube. So let's meet back here in 54 minutes and we'll see the result of our typing. The measurement is already done. Now I wanted to show you the FluoGene software. So that was faster than expected. Let me have a sip of my coffee. I hope you enjoyed yours as well. And now we can continue, and I show you how to get the data from the cube into the laptop. Just have to open it. Each of our plates is barcode labeled, and with a scanner you can scan this barcode. and so the data will be transferred to your FluoGene software. This plate we don't need anymore, so we remove it. You can trash it now, it's perfectly sealed. And I will continue to show you how the FluoGene software works. For example, you can see the summary of your typing, or you simply print the result. That's it, easy as it can be.